Bucketlist coming in.
They got through the bottleneck.
Yep.
And they're here.
Awesome.
That's so great.
Another one of those inspirational stories. All girls keep kicking butt.
No doubt. And saving the day for Callie. Callie had some steering issues. They jumped out with a buzz box. Little do they know that that's a professionally trained welder sitting up there. Don't let her look school you. And
she can lay down a bead.
She can ground that axle down, lay down the bead, and off they went. That was cool. Hi, girls.
Hello.
You guys are a lot dustier today than I've seen you.
Yeah, we have been progressively getting dirtier.
You guys are officially Trail Hero X-Landers. How's that feel?
Yeah.
Did you expect this when you signed up?
Yeah.
Good. Was it hard enough?
I think it was great.
Okay.
For the range of vehicles and levels of expertise we had out there, I think it's awesome. Yeah.
Number one, let's see. I think we would have packed maybe 2 weeks earlier.
Yeah, because we thought we had it ahead of the game with getting all of the extra stuff packed and prepared beforehand.
Yeah.
But then when it came down to clothes and shoes, it was like, it was a complete mess.
Yeah.
We didn't really pack exactly the best, but we made it work and we didn't have to buy anything.
Make it work. I don't know. We did a fairly good job of what we would need in essentials. Maybe we could have done away with
the toilet.
Yeah, we never used the toilet that we brought. The table.
Yeah, the table. Chairs.
The chairs.
We never used our chairs.
We never even used our chairs.
There was not enough time.
Never even used our chairs. Okay. Well, I left my drone in the hotel room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More abilities to charge. My phone died at 6 p.m. Wednesday night and it was a struggle to get it back up Thursday because, I mean, we had those charge boxes, we had the Jeep. None of it was enough power to get the phone to come back on.
Yeah.
Enough to maintain, but not come back on.
Yeah.
Did you have a portable power system?
We did not.
But we were borrowing one and we left it behind. Yes, we left it behind. So, yeah, we were unprepared.
Yeah, we packed a glass jar of pickles and you would think that the glass broke, but no, the lid came undone over time through the bounce and bumping. So
it didn't break though.
Yeah, don't bring glass jars.
No glass jars.
Because they're the best snack for trail. They're hydrating.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of good vitamins in them and stuff, and they're good. They're crunchy. We like a good crunch.
So did you end up eating the pickles?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. We smelt that dill smell in the air in the Jeep and found it was the pickles and they had just spilled just out the top. The top didn't even come off, just the liquid. So we passed pickles around everybody.
Yeah.
Pack easier food.
Pack easier everything.
Yeah.
You don't have to have a rooftop tent. You don't have to have an awning. You don't have to have a shower. All of these things. Keep it very basic, packed low, and it'll all come together and work out.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
The spider moment.
Yep.
So Monica tells it the best, so I'll let her tell it. Yeah,
it was a spider, and it was bigger than normal. It wasn't huge body-wise, but its legs were 2 to 3 times the length that they needed to be, and it ran like this with its arms wiggling, or its legs just wiggling all frantic like a slinky, and it was really creepy. It came out of the Jeep towards me, and of course she freaked out and wanted it out of the Jeep, and in the meantime, there was a 2-foot ledge next to us, 2-foot drop ledge, and she backed up in a fight and accidentally knocked our buddy Alex over, and he was quick on his reflexes, grabbed his fender, and both of his feet went dangling down that little drop. he ended up being okay, but
and then I grabbed a sweatshirt off the ground and I swatted that thing off the tailgate because I did not want it in the Jeep. It was on the tailgate. And it was getting ready to hike back into our Jeep, and we were like, no, that's not happening. Emotional moments. Coming back into town.
Yep.
Coming back into town and realizing, wow, we're getting ready to cross the finish line.
Yeah.
And this is done. We did it. We did the 600 miles. We survived all of it.
600 plus.
The Jeep is like unscathed. Crossing the finish line today during the ceremony, choked up a little bit.
Yep.
Our last interview.
Yep. It was.
Yeah.
Any other highlights from your week that you want to share with?
All of the crazy sights we got to see and the history, all the old cabins and cattle ranches.
A lot of history.
Oh, and the petroglyphs, agate stones everywhere. The ground was just so colorful and shiny, and I couldn't help myself but pick up rocks constantly. So any pocket in that darn Jeep probably has so many rocks.
There's a lot of rocks in the Jeep right now, and a lot of dust.
Yeah, a lot of dust.
It's caked.
Yep.
Apply for the show.
Do it.
Go after it. Get that adventure in.
Yeah.
It is bucket list.
Yeah.
And
It's a
you
bucket
will
list
not
item.
regret it.
For sure.
You will not regret it. I love this girl. She's my best friend.
I agree.
And I'm so freaking proud of her.
She is a desert racer now. That is for sure.
Yeah. And she is a welder.
We have to talk about that.
Yeah, we do.
Please tell us.
Yeah. So we heard over the radio that Callie had broken down and we needed to bring our welder to fix. And that's enough words for me. I don't need any more information. So she slams on the brakes. We turn around as fast as possible and we get back to where Callie's at. And it was a bracket holding on her hydro assist for her steering. And the weld on it, it just had no penetration whatsoever. That mating surface where they welded the bracket on, there was no indents, nothing after we cleaned and ground it up, unfortunately. So we ended up firing up the Carnage welder for the first time ever. And I had definitely mentioned that beforehand as well. And the guys got a little uncomfortable. There was a couple guys there. And they said, "Hey, Mo, no big deal, but, we really appreciate you and we appreciate you having the welder, but if you want to tack it, go ahead. But this guy over here is a professional welder and we need him to make sure that we get enough penetration and get those welds in there good enough to make sure that steering bracket isn't going to come off." And I just kind of looked at him and went, ooh, I don't know what to say. I look at my friends and family and no one's saying nothing. So I thought, all right, now is my chance. I got to say something. So I said, I've welded a few times.
A few times.
My dad ended up mentioning that I'm professional. So it is my career to be a welder and has been since high school. So they gave me a chance and I was able to get that welder dialed in within a 1/4 inch of weld and finish it out strong and beautiful and stack some dimes with flux core. So that was really cool.
Carnage welders.
Yep.
Yeah.
Farewell.
Any last words for your fans?
Thank you for everyone for all the support. Our friends,
the love.
our friends and family and sponsors. We had a lot of amazing sponsors, but our friends and family, they pulled through for us. And we're so grateful.
Yeah. Yep.
So grateful.
Yeah. It was a great trip. I would 100% recommend it to anybody. And it is a massive reward to get back to the hotel and have a pool and have a bed.
Yeah.
And as you can tell, we are very tired.
We're very tired.
But accomplished.
Signing off.
Bucketlist Offroad Adventure.